Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a swimsuit try-on haul featuring Cupshe. So you guys know I have been working with Cupshe for well over 3, probably 4 years, but I have been buying from Cupshe years before that as well. And specifically their swimwear just gets better and better every single year. It is my all-time favorite place to shop swimwear. They truly have swimwear for everyone. They have full pieces, they have high waist, they have skimpy fun bathing suits, like holiday bathing suits, whatever. They have literally something for everyone, and I feel like their fits just keep getting better and better every single year. And this by far is my favorite swimsuit haul that I have done ever. Okay, so we've got a range though. I have some fun little like flirty skimpy ones, I've got some fuller coverage ones, high-waisted ones, and I have one pieces. So I have a little bit of everything, and that's kind of my style depending on, you know, what I'm feeling. Okay, so I love a full coverage moment, but I also love a fun little skimpy bathing suit every once in a while. So without further ado, let's jump in. But first, Cupshe did provide us with a coupon code, which is LOVEKELLY, and that will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more, or 20% off your order of $109 or more. So as we're gearing up for maybe spring break, the summer, whatever it is, definitely check out Cupshe's selections because they truly have something for everyone. But let's start with the little bikinis that I grabbed. So I am somebody who typically is a very full coverage type of girl, especially since becoming a mom, but sometimes I like a little flirty, strappy swimsuit if I'm just around the girls, or a solo parent vacation, not with you know, my little guy. Typically I will wear a full coverage or a one piece when that happens, but I do love a good little skimpy bathing suit. Okay, not skimpy, but you know what I mean, like a triangle tie top, tri bottom bikini. And this one, when I saw this, I was like, yes, this is so cute. I love this print first. I think it's so fun. And the little like triangle, this is like thread up at the top, that kind of detailing, very tribal if you will. And then tie bottom bikinis are perfect because you really truly can get the best fit for you. You can go low rise, you can go mid rise, or you can go high rise and hike it all the way up, and you get so much control with these tie bottoms that for me, I can tend to get a lot of digging in my hips areas because that's where I carry the majority of my weight. So I love something like this that really just gives you a customized fit. That way you can go with your smaller size in the bottoms, but then have more wiggle room with these. I am a large in the chest in Cupshe, but a small medium in the bottom. So small medium, I say that. Yeah, it's hard, okay? Swimsuits are just kind of hard, but the tie bottoms are perfection. And this top, again, so cute. Love the print, love the, again, that thread detail. This is actual thread throughout it. It has these cute little silver details up at the top, the little rings, and just a really good tie bikini. And I've grown to really enjoy these more than I thought I would, because again, you can get the control right. You can tie these a billion different ways. If you've never seen the videos on how to tie a triangle bikini a million different ways, check it out because there's always so many different ways. But I love the navy blue strings on this, and I just think white and blue scream summer, right? All right, going along with that, same, we'll stick with the bikinis for a while. I have this green one, which I loved this pattern when I first saw it. I love everything green and blue, but specifically this green was just so pretty. It like called to me, and it's kind of a towel terry material, if you will. It's pretty interesting. I like it. It gives some like texture to the swimsuit. Just basic white straps, but it has this super cute detail in the middle, which I absolutely love. It's a little gem with gold detailing. This just adds like a fun detail to the swimsuit that's kind of plain, but I love this one so much. And again, crushing it with the tie bottoms over here. I love the shape of this one. I feel like you get a little bit more coverage than the other one. Very cute. Again, same detailing, and I love them. And that like kind of circular tie detail, but again, you just get so much control. High-waisted, low or mid, low rise, whatever fits for you, but love the amount of customization I can do with that swimsuit specifically. This color, you guys, I like when I put it on my body, I was like, holy crap, this is really nice. And it has a halter style top, which for me in my chest, I really actually love a halter top. I feel like it just holds everything in, it keeps everything in really nice. Again, I love this wavy sort of texture that this one has. And this adorable little like, what do you call it? Like puka shell with a pearl detailing. I'm obsessed with this. I love everything about this. I love that the bottom cups are kind of curved to really kind of lift you up, like cup and lift. And then the halter top is so flattering, especially if you were a mom, you breastfed, you didn't breastfeed, whatever. Things are just not as perky as they once were. Halter tops, okay? And then you got the tie around the ribs, but love these. Again, all of these come with removable cup pads, but I've kept them in for every single swimsuit that I'm showing you, and no issues whatsoever. So love the shape and top of this, and then love the color. And then the bottoms, again, with the ties, if you can't tell, I'm very into the ties recently. I think it fits my body truly the best. So again, this has that, like in a more of an intricate detail than the second one. It has two different kind of sides, and then it has the strings. So love. This is a little bit more high rise, I would say, than the other ones, but I'm obsessed with this color and the fit of this swimsuit overall. And then again, that texture of that wavy sort of detail just gives a little extra to a very like plain neutral color, but gives it sort of some interest with the texture. Okay, let's end this off with the skimpiest bathing suit swimsuit that I tried on. This is from the JoJo Fletcher line, I want to say. She always does very out there fun bathing suits, and if you are a confident girl, check them out because the patterns are always to die for. So cute. I will say these I should have gone up in because the you don't get much control with these, and these really dig in because they're such a fine strap. So if you're interested in these, if you're in between sizes, I would size up. This is one of those swimsuits that you can control the coverage on the bum, but you move and it's going up there, okay? So if you like that, then you do you. But the crotch is the same as the butt. Like, you don't get much coverage, but it is such a pretty fun, like floral brown color, and I love brown. This would look so amazing on a tan. So cute. Love this. It's just a little cheeky, okay? So I wore it with a little sarong that I've had from Cupshe for years now. It's just always a good one. The top, I feel as though she is a larger chested girl, so she comes out with really good tops as well. This is like a balconette bra, which I got this in a large. I want to say I got the bottoms in a small, and I should have done a medium. But this is just so cute. I love the little V cutouts. Again, super cute straps, and you've got the clasp in the back for how to close it, and there's 3 different loops. So I find that the large fit me very nicely. I really like this. I love the color. Maybe I'll get the confidence to wear those bottoms or grab them in a medium because they're just a little bit digging on me. All right, the next couple of bikinis I have are high-waisted, more full coverage. So if that's your vibe, then this is the one for you. So I have this super cute like houndstooth, which I love. Again, I'm very into brown right now. This is more of like a terracotta brown. Really super cute pattern with this little U silver detailing in it. Adjustable straps and the clasp back with 3 different levels of clasping. Again, I feel like this was very flattering. It's more of like a bra top, so not as like haltery, but again, so insanely cute. Love the piping detailing around the bottom, around the border of the bathing suit. And then the bottoms are a high-rise fit if that is your style. Again, same like houndstooth type of print. And then they are reversible. I didn't show that on there because I did not realize at first, but they are technically reversible here. So you can, if you want more of a plain bottom, there is that theory of pattern top will draw the eye to the chest, and then pattern bottoms will draw the eye to your bottom. So it just depends. You can always kind of control where the eye is specifically drawn. If you don't want to draw towards your bottoms, then you can make it more brown. Or if you like your bottom, then go like this. But I think this is a really cute, fun, kind of different set that I never have seen a houndstooth bathing suit in, but I really like that. And the fit of it is very interesting as well. We have a classic black and white polka dot bikini. I love polka dots on a bikini. You know, the yellow polka dot bikini. I mean, come on. This is just so precious and so cute. This bra is like a legit bra. It's very like got the underwire in there and it has the cups already like molded for you. So keep that in mind when you are ordering a size, that if you are a small chested girl, you probably need to go down or like go to your smallest size possible because you will have a lot of gaping if you don't. But I did get this in a large and it fits very nicely. I love the cup pads on these. So cute. This looks so luxe. It's so cute. Love the strap detailing. Again, adjustable straps and the 3 clasp in the back. This is just black and white. It's classic. It's beautiful. I am obsessed with this. This is a very like cutesy girly type of bathing suit and I'm obsessed. And then it has the high-waisted bottoms. Again, just a very classy, classic fit. And I'm obsessed with it. I think it goes this way, yes. So high rise, pretty full coverage, black polka dots, black and white polka dots. I'm okay. One of my first bathing suits that I ever got from Cupshe was like this red bathing suit that had polka dots and it had that bra and it had a belt. I still have it. I wear it all the time. I love that bathing suit. So yeah, they do polka dots really well. Okay, next up I have this guy. I love the color of this like white with this kind of taupey, almost like purpley brown type of color. Okay, this I would say the cup pads on this were a little bit loose. So I would say if you are looking at this size down, I could have gone with a medium. I had a little bit of extra room in these cups. They're very roomy. They have the underwire, but this part is very flexible. Cute white piping detailing that are adjustable in the back with the 3 clasps as well. So cute. Love the white piping on it. I just think it's perfect. And then bottoms, again, are high rise, more full coverage in the bum, with the white piping details. Very, very cute. And I paired that with this little cover up that I also got. I love their kind of crocheted cover ups. Crocheted cover ups can be so expensive and they're such a delicate piece that you shouldn't spend a whole lot of money on it because one wrong move and girl, you are unraveled. But I feel like Cupshe has some super cute cover ups that I've had, like I said, for years and they continue to stay really nice. So love this, just like a kind of a creamy, crocheted cover up that's long. It has either the scoop front or a little V and there is a nice slit on the sides. So cute. So that goes over basically any single bathing suit you could ever want, but I really liked it with the brown. Okay, and then my last bikini is probably the most fun, and honestly when I pulled it out I was like, I don't know about that one, but I ended up loving it. Okay, so the top is just a basic sort of bra like top. It is a halter, so it has the straps here, again hooks. This I will say is kind of small on me. I don't remember what size I got in this. Maybe it was a medium, but I felt like I was a little smooshed in this. It's got the hard cup pads, but very cute. And then the bottoms, okay, I never thought I would like something else, but it's a swim skirt thing. So it is, here's the front. It has swim bottoms, high rise underneath, and then it has this mesh skirt with the tassels. Like how freaking cute is this? I was really impressed with this quality. I love the little, you can also like shimmy this up and make this tighter like this to make it a little more cheeky or leggy, but so freaking cute. Obsessed with this. I had no idea I would love a swim skirt, but I do. I really think this is so cute. So if you're, again, want to be sexy and flirty, but also want to feel more covered, that is the perfect option. All right, and then let's end this swimsuit haul with some one pieces. I think one pieces, when done right, can be so good, can look so flattering, help you just feel your most confident if you are somebody who likes to be covered and tucked in. That is what you should wear. It doesn't, like, I think that can be sexy, okay? So freaking sexy, and I love a one piece. Anyway, okay, moving along, I'll stop. This swimsuit, okay, this is so freaking cute. I also love navy one pieces, okay? I feel as though they're not as harsh as black. They're just a little softer, but still so cute. Love this neckline, so stunning. Halter type of thing, like choker, that's what I mean. Deep V, white piping, everything. And then it has this ruching here, which really helps hide any, like the illusion of your stomach. So good. This covers the hips. So where I tend to feel my fluffiest, right at that top of my hip, it goes over it. So you don't have any like concerns. Full coverage, So beautiful, obsessed with this swimsuit. Think it's stunning. It's definitely wow, like a wow type of swimsuit. You don't see it everywhere, but I love it. Navy with the white, everything. And then if you're just a classic, just want a basic, great fitting swimsuit one piece, this. Oh, are you kidding? That deep V. You have the adjustable straps in the back, and then you have this cute little twisty detail in the back too. Adorable. You can see it's kind of like a knot detail. You have this panel that goes right underneath the breast to provide a little extra support, and it's got this really nice like kind of ribbed detail, wide ribs. Again, covers the hips, good coverage in the bum. This is so pretty, perfect. Just a very classic fitting, timeless swimsuit that cannot go wrong. Popping this guy on. So that is everything that I grabbed from Cupshe. Let me know what your favorite swimsuit was down below. I feel like I got a good mix of different swimsuits and I'm excited. I think at the end of the day, when you find a bathing suit that makes you feel your most confident, that's when you will radiate and you will just feel good. So focus on the fit rather than anything else. Focus on the fit and how you feel on your body, whether that's with a small teeny tiny bikini or whether that's full coverage, and that is okay no matter what your body type is. Wear what makes you feel most confident, because that's when you will have the most fun, and that's what you deserve to have, whether it's on vacation or summer or whatever it is. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident within your own body. And I think Cupshe's bikinis, bathing suits, all of it, they have something for everyone, and you are bound to find something that you love. So again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video to share with you some of my favorite swimsuits that I cannot wait to wear for spring break and into summer. And again, don't forget to use code LOVEKELLY, and that will save you 15% off your orders of $65 or more, or 20% off your orders of $109 or more. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.